Hello, this is Bandy with CVTC in the hot lab at Eau Claire, Wisconsin. That's Chippewa Valley Technical College. We're going to show you how to change out an OCR hot. So here I've got some phase-in sticks. I'm going to show you we have high voltage in our lab. So our substation is right here. Feeds up through this transformer. We're back feeding it. We got 7200 on this single phase going all the way down. You can see it steps it down at that transformer down there to low voltage to get the light bulb on. Just going to prove we have high voltage in here. Okay, that is kV, 7.21 kV. Just make sure you can see that. So 7200 volts in here. So the first step to make sure you keep the lights on to the customer to change out an OCR, or in this case a vacuum recloser. This is a single phase spear recloser, just a brand. It shows that its contacts are closed right now. Everybody's obviously hot. We got hot coming from here, up feed through there, stepping it down to that light down there. That light should stay on the whole time. First thing you gotta do is bypass the recloser with this little cutout. You can put a jumper across it. There's a lot of ways to do it. Cutout's probably the easiest way. Second thing we gotta do is open up the recloser. See, it says contacts open. See, the lights still stay on. We still have 7200 and stepping down to 120 down there. The next thing we gotta do, and there's a couple different ways to do this, is we have to take this jumper off. This is considered the source jumper. And honestly, it wouldn't matter. We could take this one off, but I have no place to pin this one safely. We have to make sure as we take these off, we don't let the first jumper drop and touch the tank or anything grounded, just in case these contacts in here lied to us and they weren't actually open. As I take this one off, if the contacts stayed closed for whatever reason and let this jumper drop, we'd obviously have a fire right here, face to ground fault. So in the hot lab, what we've been doing for years is using this yellow insulated T standoff. I'm not 100% sure what the technical term for it is, but it's an insulated standoff, jumper holder I'll call it. And what we've been doing, so the students don't have to worry about dropping it, is we've been putting this right on here and then just pinning it there. And the reason we do that again is in case those contacts really didn't close or open, we want to make sure that this jumper doesn't fly into anything because it would still be hot. Hardly ever happens, but it could. Now you could use two shotguns if you're on a pole by yourself and just hang it on the hook right here. Hang the jumper, keep it in the shotgun, hang the hook on the neutral or something, just to keep your normal air. This second one's not nearly as critical. As soon as I take the second one off, there's obviously no chance of it being high. So I can let this one dump right out of the stick if I want. All right. Lights never went out. OCR is ready to change out.